Director ma West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens at the University of Ghana, Professor Gordon Awandare. What the adesrede ato Ghana man pagyin mpanimfo dem say COVID-19 so to ade network kakra na wonom agye no edugu futuo mu no onfa se sika na ma wo na hwehwemu esefata ye de emuaye papa beba na abo oman no wonfanye. Director Yawoda West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens Aitwanitia se Wagbep. Professor Gordon Awandare ediato Ghana by enim se sesia COVID-19 yade no eni honum ebiemu yi anka COVID Levy ya by no egye no or the Coco Share Research and Innovation Emua, Kabebua Palma and Shishemua Efa Yarwa Woodro, Ewo Maimu etimi akosona madachibino, Yarebi, Etiatesewa Omeyimua, Wetimi Apen Pomesibra, what the Sanseme to Joabra, West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens, Epa Womo Delta 2, and Wuntoma was Sanso Epa Inficia Dua Wababedi and Wuntoma.
It is time for us to operationalize that. Currently, we have a COVID levy, right? And I have suggested that from next year, now that we are quite confident that COVID is behind us for the most part, let's redesignate that COVID levy as a research levy and put that towards the Research and Innovation Fund. And what that does is that you create, a mechanism for Ghanaians to bring innovative ideas. So every year, you put some money available for people to compete for with ideas. If you put the investment in, it may take time, but eventually it will pay for itself. Most of the new economies, they've shown us that. Singapore, even China, they've led with innovation, and they make things for us to buy. But they invested in research and science before they got to that place. We don't want to invest, but we want to benefit. It doesn't work that way. You have to invest. You have to put resources in. So I'm here suggesting that let's convert the COVID levy to a research and innovation levy.